Imagine effortlessly managing thousands of embedded Android devices worldwide. From a single intuitive web dashboard that delivers secure OTA updates for operating system, applications, and device configurations. To deliver these capabilities, Kynetics provides Update Factory, which includes a powerful management dashboard for over-the-air updates. It enables secure distribution of updates, organizes devices into smart groups, manages phased rollout campaigns, and delivers real-time fleet monitoring through comprehensive analytics. And beyond the dashboard, it also provides REST APIs for those who want programmatic integration. Let's start with the foundation of any OTA update: software modules and distributions. This is where you prepare and package everything your devices need. You start by creating a software module, a secure versioned container for your artifacts. The platform supports diverse types, from comprehensive OS updates to lightweight Android APKs. Once defined, you securely upload your artifact directly to the artifact repository, ensuring it's ready for deployment at scale. The distribution section is where you define the release logic by creating a single, cohesive package for your fleet. Each distribution begins by selecting a distribution set type, which determines the category and compatibility of the updates, such as operating system, application, or device control update. This approach ensures each update is precisely matched to the intended device group. Within a distribution, you can combine multiple modules, such as a security patch and an application update, assign versions, and prepare your package for efficient release across thousands of devices. To manage your fleet effectively, Update Factory uses tags, flexible labels that organize both devices and software distributions. Device tags help you identify and segment specific groups of targets, and distribution tags label the software packages themselves. By filtering devices and distributions, you always have a clear overview of which updates are linked to which parts of your fleet. For stricter control, the platform uses target types. Unlike tags, each device is assigned a single, fixed target type that defines its update capabilities. For example, in a mixed fleet with Linux and Android devices, you would assign different target types so that each OS distribution is only considered compatible with the appropriate devices. This compatibility lock prevents configuration errors and blocks incompatible OS updates before they can be deployed to the wrong targets. Target filters in Update Factory allow you to create precise criteria for grouping devices dynamically based on attributes such as tags, status, or other metadata. These filters simplify finding and selecting the right devices for rollouts or deployments, ensuring updates are applied only where intended and improving operational efficiency. Rollouts make it easy to deliver updates to large fleets in a controlled and predictable way, rather than updating everything at once. You start by selecting the target devices using target filters, then choose the specific distribution to deploy. From there, you can update all devices simultaneously or release the update in carefully managed waves, run the rollout immediately or schedule it for later, and even stop it automatically if too many errors occur. This approach keeps deployments safer, easier to monitor, and simpler to troubleshoot, while giving you a complete history of each device's update progress across your entire fleet. Auto-assignment takes automation further by continuously monitoring devices that match your filters and automatically assigning the appropriate updates. Imagine a company expanding rapidly and onboarding new devices daily. Auto-assignment guarantees every new device instantly receives the correct software without manual effort, ensuring compliance and saving valuable IT resources by eliminating repetitive tasks. The deployment view is your control room for updates, where you can manually choose devices, trigger installs, and watch everything as it happens. It lets you monitor device status in real time during a deployment, so you immediately see which devices are updating successfully and where issues appear. You can also open each device's action history to review the full update timeline, giving you clear visibility into what was deployed and when. Kynetics Update Factory brings every part of the OTA workflow together, preparing software, organizing distributions, segmenting devices intelligently, and delivering updates safely at scale. With real-time visibility and precise controls, you can manage even the largest embedded fleets with confidence. Contact us to learn more about Update Factory and request a free trial to begin managing your fleet remotely.